Simply Business Insurance Review, honest user experience and pricing breakdown. Finding affordable, reliable small business insurance can be a nightmare. Too many options, confusing terms and surprise costs. That's why I decided to try Simply Business, a platform that helps business owners find and manage insurance easily. Here's my honest review and what I learned. The setup was simple. You start by entering basic info about your business, your industry, size and annual revenue. Within seconds, Simply Business pulls up quotes from multiple insurers. Most people get this wrong. They think comparison sites just show generic rates, but Simply Business gives personalized quotes tailored to your business needs. For my test, I requested coverage for a freelance marketing business. That form instantly showed options for general liability and professional indemnity insurance, with clear pricing and coverage details. No confusing jargon, no hidden fees. The average cost for small business coverage range between and per month, depending on risk level. And what's great is that you can adjust coverage limits and deductibles right from the site before committing. Customer support was responsive and policy documents were available instantly after purchase. You can also manage renewals or claims through the dashboard, which saves a lot of time compared to traditional brokers. The only downside? Simply Business doesn't write the policies themselves, hire a broker. So, you'll need to handle claims through the actual insurer. Still, the platform simplifies the process and helps you find competitive rates fast. In short, Simply Business is perfect for freelancers, startups, and small business owners who want quick, transparent, and affordable insurance. It saves you the stress of endless phone calls and confusing fine print, all in one easy-to-use platform.